Good morning, guys. Now is 6:30 in the morning, so I will do the long ride with my friend with my new kits here, gloves and long sleeve jersey. It's not that cold today, but yeah, I just want to try this out. It's 17 degrees Celsius, so let's go. Okay, I got 40k, so this is a place that I will stop. I want to go to toilet so bad, so I'll stop here. Okay, now we get to Ueda Station. Right here. So yeah, exactly 45k. So it's me. We done. Now we will take rest and then we will go back very soon. Good job, Joe. Okay, 94k bike ride today is done. Not that hard because I didn't go that fast today, but about 5k I found a group, and actually they are the Japan national team, so I tried to follow them for like 5k, but seriously I couldn't catch up with them because the 5k I think they leave me like 500 meters gap, so I decided to just stop. It's so hard to follow them. But yeah, by the way, new glove and jersey, quite nice. The weather today is like 24 maybe right now. This one a little bit too hot, but I mean not too bad. By the way, here my lovely bike. By the way, thank you for watching, guys. See you next video. See ya.